Did you know that reading just 20 minutes a day can significantly boost your child's academic performance? If you want to learn how to help your kid love reading, then stick around because I've got some awesome parenting tips for you. As a parent, instilling a love for reading in your child is one of the greatest gifts you can give them. In today's digital age, where screens often compete for attention, fostering a passion for books is more important than ever. Let's face it, getting kids to enjoy reading can be a real challenge. With smartphones, tablets and video games vying for their time, books can sometimes take a back seat. Many parents struggle with how to encourage their children to pick up a book and dive into a new world. Lack of interest or competing distractions can make the task seem daunting. But fear not, there are plenty of strategies and tips to make reading fun and engaging for your kids. One great idea is to create an environment that encourages reading in your home. A special corner of the house or their room filled with cushions, blankets, and importantly, a heap of books that are easily accessible and lots of variety. You can also involve them in choosing books at the library that pique their interest, whether it's adventure, mystery, fantasy, or real-life topics. Making reading a family activity by reading together can also make it more enjoyable for kids. And don't forget, your kids are always watching and imitating you. So lead by example and read in front of them often. Now, let's talk about the magic that happens when you ignite a love for reading in your child. Research shows that children who read for pleasure not only perform better academically, but also develop stronger empathy and social skills, improve their language development, become more creative and imaginative, and improve their knowledge and understanding of the world. Success stories abound of kids who transform from reluctant readers to bookworms, simply because they found the right book that sparked their imagination. So make sure if a book doesn't resonate with your child, get something different in front of them, until you find a genre that draws them in. In summary, by making reading a fun and interactive experience, you can set your child on a path to a lifelong love of books. The benefits go beyond academic success. They extend to personal growth, creativity, and emotional intelligence. So, take the time to nurture this love in your child and watch them flourish. I'd love to hear your tips and tricks for getting kids to love reading. Share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, here's another one that you can try. And together, let's inspire a new generation of book lovers.